Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Modern Software Testing AI Vibe. Recently, Playwright has been released the Playwright Test Agent. It's last October 2025. It was actually augmented of the Playwright MCP server, and it's actually opened the new era and the new style of software testing. So the release was 1.56, yes, 1.56 version, October 22, 2025. And these Playwright agents actually have planner, generator, and healer. What planner is do? Planner is created, automatically created, scan your website or app, and it will create test plan for you, and the generator converted that test plan into the test script. And when things are go wrong, is there anything's happen in your code, healer will heal everything. So combination of these three things is actually superpower really in the software automation testing. Okay, so this is here is the Planet official documentation. You can go and read it, everyone. Today I'm going to show you just plug and play. Okay, how you can do that is I will show you the just one simple demo. Okay, so let's go to the prerequisite of that demo project. Of course, you have to be Playwright setup, and the Playwright latest version 1 point at least 1.56, and the Node.js version at least is 18 plus, recommended 20 and 22, VS Code plus MCP support. And the VS Code version must be 1.105, which is released September 2025, GitHub Copilot, and modern context protocol MCP server, of course, you need. Okay, so here you can see that I already set up my in Playwright project, and I don't have any Playwright test agent right now. What I'm going to do is I ask him to ask agent to install the Playwright test agent, and this was for the VS Code. Okay, so VS Code, let's ask this to the, I'm using that for now. I'm using the GPT 4.1 because it's not take your premium version as of premium records. So for now it's okay. And let's copy and paste. What will it will do? It will automatically store your MCP and player test agent. Okay, it's running. Okay. Yes, that one is already installed. And what you can do is read the demo project, GitHub, everything. And yes, it's also automatically created the seed test. What seed test? It is. I'll explain it the another of my video. But the seed is very important. And if you go there, you can find that MCP installed in here. Okay, for this project. Okay, and if you go there, yes, you can find that easily that your planner, generator, and healer all are installed for your project. What you can do, you can manage, you need to, before you start, you need to give them the permission to create or edit your file or modify file. Otherwise, what people face that it's not create folder for you. For that one, you will suppose I want select that one and click here. Okay, see, for now I select all of them, even player test. Okay, and here you can see that it's already permission in here. It's actually instruction, full instruction. Okay, I'm saving it. Let's same things do it for the generator. Click and give them the permission for everything. Okay, select. Okay, and save it. And last one is for the healer. Okay, to look that one. Here, Playwright and the Playwright test. Okay, okay, everything is up to date. Let's click on the new chat and start the project. So what I'm going to do, at first I'm going to do the registration. My goal is to create the registration test plan for the registration. Okay, and the registration is the most common automation. It needs every application, almost every application. So here is the prompt. Okay, uh, you can find this prompt in my GitHub channel. I have already. You can download it from here. Also, you can click and you can find the GitHub. Sorry, you can find the prompt which I'm using right now. You can in here. You can clone it and practice as yourself. Okay, and the link will be the description below. Okay. Okay, let's check this the planner. Okay, uh, this prompt actually take almost 400 to 500 token. You can ask me why it's long prompt, because I wanted to clear first time. So it will be first time it will be cleared very nicely. I don't want to create. I don't want to back and forth the conversation, so it will consume your lots of token. So at first I create very clean and clear prompt. So let's check this out. Go to this link, generate the detailed test plan for registration feature, create spec folder of the root of the project and save it as a station test plan.md. Okay, these are the action rule here. I explicitly tell him to use the Canadian name, address, and phone number. Or for here, you can use any of your number, Australian name, or Japanese, or Indian, or Pakistan, or what Egyptian, any country, Bangladesh, or any country you can use in here. Okay. So here you can see if I explicitly tell him to click and clear and insert the data, follow the field specification instruction for the drop down, click the arrow and select the correct options and that things. And expected output should be this one, and structured test plan contain positive and negative scenario. Okay, for this one active, let's remove this one. Okay, edge cases and the validation error and prerequisite and step by step. Okay, let's copy and paste it there and let's check how it happens. Okay, now I'm going here and click the planner, and for now I'm going to use Claude Sonnet 4.5. Okay, select that one and paste. Let's check this out. Sometimes actually what I found it that the MCP server is overwhelmed, and because it's using all over the world. So many people are using. Okay, so it's getting slow sometimes. Sometimes it's facing a issue of your local PC also. Sometimes it facing from your internet speed, depends on internet speed also. Okay. But most of the time I found that it's okay. Okay, let's allow for this session. Okay, I allow. It's open. Okay, okay, see this one. Hmm. Okay, now it's a create comprehensive test plan documentation. It has been already created this folder you can see in here. If you can see that? Yes, that one. Okay. and it's still working. Here you can find based on my knowledge. Started. Let me create the comprehensive test plan. First name, last name, email, gender, mobile, birth, and field hobbies, pictures, and correct address and text area. So that's what. And it's working. Sometimes it's really boring that it takes time. So yes. So yes, it takes a little bit time and it has been created the test plan in here. Okay. And yes, perfectly. I created the comprehensive test plan, this one, and this is the test plan. Okay. And what the 15 measures test scenario are included, covering the complete registration, happy path with all fields, mandatory fields, email validation, mobile validation. See, all of these things, 15 measure tests has been created. And yes, it's include the scenario and that one. Okay, let's check this one. File upload from this. Okay. Uh, uh, so this is the test plan. Oh, wow. Look at that. How easy this one. Life is so much easy now. No, of course, it's okay. This is the test data guideline. Okay. These are the test guideline, action rule, and test scenario. Here is the happy path. Okay. So complete. Okay. So these all are the test case. Okay. Okay. Now it's time for convert this test plan into the test script. Okay, here I'm select the generator and let's see which one should I uh, there's a lots of sometimes what happened there's a 15 test scenarios in here. Or sometimes it's going to be the more 20 or 30 or more. So if you give the instruction that all that test at a time, it will take long time. So what will be happen, you do it chunk by chunk. Suppose you can do it 3 test cases or 6 test cases for this prompt, and next prompt you can next say 3 or 5 like this. Okay, let's uh, create for complete registration 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's create a test case, convert this 4 test scenario into the test script. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here I'll write 1, 2, 4. Okay, uh, so this is the prop for the generator. Go to this form, use the registration test plan. There's a file of single source of truth and for test scenario from 1 to 4 expected behavior. So here's the explicitly tell him to action handles the rule general, read the and analyze the scenarios or let's the scenarios from and keep assertion. Okay, you can find it. And also I am explicitly tell him to use the playwright best practice in here. Okay. So data behavior use data file. Okay. This is the quality and this is the expected behavior. Okay, let's copy and paste this one. Okay. it also takes almost 400 to 1500 token, but it's reduced my back and forth. Let's open the new chat. Okay, and select the generator and Cloud Sonnet and paste it in here. Okay, let's do it. Yes, as I said earlier, sometimes it takes time. It's working. Okay, I said that I'll generate comprehensive Playwright test file based on the test plan. Let me start and analyze the scenario and setting up the page to create a to-do. Now I'll navigate from uh, beginning gallery. Okay, that's actually happening. Actually, in this demo, I just show you that just plug and play. You can see just for now, I didn't write any coding or I didn't create anything manually. Okay, it's set up and generate the test, read the test plan file and working. Yes, that was being created the registration test file. Let's keep it. You can see it in here. Okay. Yes, that one is created and completed navigation. Yeah, it's perfectly perfect and successfully generated the test script file, and what it's include is written in here. The test generally include corporate registration, mandatory fields, email information, email, mobile phone. Okay, that things. Also, key implementation of the feature. Okay, so here is the test script. It has been created. That is very nice. Okay, let's check this here. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 has been created. Let's run this one. I don't know it will be failed or not. Sometimes it's fail because so many things can be happen because the site is full of advertisement. So that might be happen. Okay, let's run that one, the complete registration. Okay, and check it's working or not. Okay, let's read that one. Okay, nice. Oh, that one is not read mode. Okay, you can see this one. Yeah, they found the issue in here. Okay, sorry, I didn't turn on the show browser. Okay, now next step, the healer. I wanted to fix this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click in the healer and ask him fix here and run the test. Make sure it's 100% one. Okay. I explicitly tell him to run after fix that the run the test. Okay. Sometimes it can. Let's do this. Okay. Fix here and run the test. Let's check this. Oh, it's happening. Okay. Okay, fix it. I will keep it. Now let me run the test and verify the work correctly. Okay, it's run the test and check it working or not. Yes, at last it has been confirmed that it heal all the issues. Okay, during the it takes a little time. Okay, when you're going to do it, that times you also find that one. As I said, because of the MCP server busy and the other issues. So here you can see that it has been fixed, and during the fix it has been found the multiple issues automatically found that, because I explicitly tell him that make sure that 100% is work. That's why he ran it again and found that this multiple issue and fix it again. Okay, and then again he's found some issue. Oh, now let me fix the movie and fix the button and fix automatically. In one prompt, it fix all of the thing, all of the issues. Okay, okay. And it's update the test script and perfect. And when it's done again it find that some issue, and out of 6, out of 4, 6 are passing and 2 has been issued, and again automatically it has been run and found the issue and fixed the issues automatically and perfect. All 6 tests are passing. Let me update to the list and modify, and the product provide summary. Okay, so here's the all tests are passing successfully, and these are the scenario that all has been passed. Let's run this one which has been fail, and let's see it's fixed or not. It's confirmed that it's now okay. Mhm. It's running. What's the problem of this site is because there's a lot of ad in there. Okay, so when you're going to do that times also face these issues also. But when you're going in the real life is much more different and the complex. At that time you have the staging site or other side. So your that side doesn't have this kind of ad. So you will be any problem. You can see it's select the image also. All successful. Yeah. Okay. You can see this one. It has been passed. Okay. Let's run this one. So MCP, this player test agent is very useful for us, and that will be the our next generation testing practice, that you know the basic, you have the knowledge of the basic of everything. Okay, and based on that you will move in enhance and augmented your skill. You can see this one also passed. Let's run scenario 3 also. Okay, and that's also what's happening. But there's of course the you must need to monitor your code. Okay, human maybe the 90% of to or to go through the AI, and the next 8% human contribution, human involvement must need. Okay, so what will be the style of work is you will be the reviewer like something. Okay, I am of course always I am positive about the AI. See the test scenario 3 also is passed. Invalid email. Let's run this one also. Okay. So this one is also running. I'm always positive about the AI, and you should adopt the uh, AI, otherwise you can survive. Okay, that's it. Okay, see, all tests are passed. Okay, see, uh, yes, mobile number is invalid mobile number. Insert the invalid mobile number and check this one. Oh yes, see, all tests are passed. Everything is passed. So this is how you can do that. Okay, let's make the summary of it. Okay, just in one phrase. You can go to my GitHub repo in here, or you can clone it here, or you can just copy paste this my prompt in your local machine. And so this is the prerequisite. Okay, and then here is the agent of there is the install of Playwright Test Agent, and this one is for the planner, this one is for the generator, and next those are modified prompt is for your healer also. Okay, so this is all of it. And thank you all of you. Thanks.